Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be speed cleaning my fridge. It just got a little bit gross, and since it was pretty much empty at the end of the week, I decided to go ahead and clean it and show you guys. So I hope you enjoy, I hope you get some motivation, and maybe you'll clean your fridge out too. This is how my fridge looked before I got started. It really wasn't that terrible, but I wanted to go ahead and tackle it, so I started just going shelf by shelf, one at a time, to not take too much out of the fridge at once. So I started with the top shelf. I took every single item out and then wiped down the surface. For wiping down the inside of the fridge, I'm using my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray in the apple cider scent. I chose apple cider because I feel like it's kind of food related and smells fresh, and then I love that I can use my Mrs. Meyer's on the inside of my fridge because everything is non-toxic, so I don't have to worry about my food being near it. When putting items back in the fridge, I tried to be as organized as possible because the more organized it is at the beginning, the easier it is to keep organized throughout the days. As you can see, we had quite a few containers with some leftover food that had just gone bad, so I took this time to empty them out into the trash, and then I also washed these dishes, but I didn't get that on video because it didn't seem necessary. Once all of the shelves were done, I moved on to the drawers, and it seems like the bottom of our fridge is always what gets the dirtiest, and I think that's because one of our drawers holds any meat that we buy, and then the other drawer is all fresh vegetables, so any like leafy greens or broccoli, they kind of fall off and get in the drawers and get into the bottom of the fridge. And then any meat, if the packaging isn't great, there might be like some juices and fat and stuff that sink into the drawers and such. So I spent a decent amount of time cleaning out the bottom of the fridge, and then I hand washed the drawers just because I wanted to make sure those were really clean. So I just used soap and hot water on those. last step is to go through the entire fridge door, which always seems to be the most tedious process. I don't know how, but we always fit like 1,000,001 different bottles and jars into this door. So I took every single item out, of course, wiped the whole door down, and then I didn't film this part, but I went through and checked every single expiration date on everything we had in the door. Obviously, I threw out anything expired, and then I organized everything back into the door very nicely. And there you have it, folks, a clean, organized fridge. I'm so happy with the way that it turned out. Everything looks so nice, and especially love the door. It looks so organized. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!